Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix WhatsApp media upload quality not showing. So if your WhatsApp media upload quality isn't showing, you can actually go ahead and fix this issue easily just by going ahead and doing a quick search of the WhatsApp application on the App Store. Now what I want you guys to make sure of over here is that you have the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger installed on your device. So if you do have an update available like this, I'd like you guys to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed, giving you the best user experience possible. And once you're done with that, you can actually now go on over and hop onto the WhatsApp application once it is finished installing and go ahead and upload your preferred photo or video with, of course, the media quality showing. And to do that, let's go on over and hop onto a specific chat that we have, and you can actually tap on the camera icon. Of course, you should also have access to all of those permissions, including the camera. So once you have already fixed that issue, you can actually now tap on the camera icon and take a quick photo. Or you could also choose from your gallery. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here and then send this as an HD photo like so. So from here, if in the case that you cannot set this to HD, the media is not HD resolution. What this means is you need to go ahead and take a photo with, of course, the HD quality. So once you go on over on your camera options, of course, once you use the camera of your device, it is automatically going to be HD since iPhone cameras are HD. So you can actually now proceed with tapping on this plus icon or camera icon again and choosing your latest photo. And as you see, the HD photo option is showing right there, allowing you to choose your preferred media quality. In this case, I'm going to choose HD and send this to this person. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.